Life is so short. Your existence is temporary. It won't last forever. But are you ready?
Welcome back to our next video, guys. So today I'm going to show you the finishing of Passageway. Alright. But before I'm showing you the finishing, I have some clips I want to show you on when the work did that take place. Alright. So now watch you are going. Yes, guys, so there in the meantime, I'm going to whip up some food for the work, man. I'm upstairs at work, basically. So we are going to whip up some jack mackerel. So the rice.
Well, it's about finish, so I gotta get the dish them and share the food.
Your food there.
Yeah, so in the meantime, while I'm have them lunch, I'm gonna go and check out the progress of what them up here do. Okay. Yeah, man, so far so good. Yeah, them a do them thing, man. So basically, them do the ceiling already. You know, yeah, man, they look alright. Yeah, them start on one of the wall them already. Yeah, man, you know gonna look nice. You know gonna look nice, man. You know, so I go and watch him render the wall, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, I like them little groove in the wall. Yeah, man. Like, let's give it that little design, right?
Yeah, I wonder why one of them them with. I wonder why one of them with. If I not something.
So what are you? What are you? We are both PMP JLP and a hybrid. We are PMP
No, I was saying pick theme party already, you know. I see me in a shirt there, you know.
NPM. When I target name? You're not able to me when you say, you have get the benefits. You have the benefits. Well, that's our favorite. From a boy. You get benefits. You have to eat food. Because they do a job, they come still.
Yes, guys. Just checking in to give an update on the passage, right? So we finally get it finished rendered, you know. And so far me can say, I must commend the work, man. You do a decent job, right? Even though that for them a step out of the way to make sure I'm doing good. You look alright. Yeah, man, can't complain, right? So As far as what me can see right now, just the flooring left in here, so start out. And then can start prime the wall. Yeah. You know, so I show one of the door jam when I see me I use the LT and I remove the stupid arch that they did it before. So these are the result. Yeah. So this is how it is right now. That's the first one. And this is the second one. This is from inside the passageway. Yeah. All right, let me show you the outside now. Yeah. So, as you can see, I said even right now, right? Yeah, so before it did about right here, so it never supposed to be right here, so right? So I don't know what kind of style them did I do, right? I don't know if it's a mini me or a pair short people that work on the house. But I guess them did left people. So which part it then now? Yeah, alright, so it's supposed to there. It's supposed to line up with this side. Yeah man, it look normal now. Yeah. So but try if you pay keen attention to when the workman at work. So no new mistake wouldn't surface. So you know build it how you want to build it. You build it all the people them say they want it. Do. Right? So it's sort out now. So we can move on from this one. Right? Can move on from there. So in the living room now. Well, this section would have been the living room, right? This section would be the living room. Yeah, it's a good sized room. Yeah, man. When I sort out right here, so yet. You see we done knock out right here, so. There was an arch right here, so. For all of the new viewers, them, whenever I watch the old video, there was an arch right here, right? And I'm gonna get rid of it. Because I go buy one of them nice looking column there. Two halves of them, right? So I put one half over the side there and the next over the side there. You know. I made the house look modern, you know what I say? Yeah. So that no sort out yet. So next step is the tiling. Cause basically half of the house finished, right? So the finished side of the house now, what I say, the tiling left, right? Cause and so when I do the floor and everything, so there's the tiling left for the area there. And the bathroom was sort out. Bathroom left sort out as well. So I need to call the plumber and tell him, make him tell me all the stuff them what I gonna need. So I can start work on that. Yeah. So cause I know say pipe I forgot buy, you know, the faucet, every little thing I forgot start out before. So cause we did start the flashing already in the bathroom. We did start the flashing already in the bathroom. But I couldn't, it make no sense me render it because the plumber go come in, I go do some digging, you know, and then now it don't make no sense, me render it because the plan is like a tile out the walls them at the bathroom, right? Walls them I was sorry to say it don't make no sense, me render in the bathroom, right? I want to show you in the bathroom right now, but never put up no bulb in here. So I'm not gonna so sit in here good. I don't know if you can see it. See there? And I do no rendering in here so as well. I just the flashing up on my door to the wall so Just the plumber for come in now and him tell me what I gonna need. So for sort out in here, so flooring have to sort out, tiling for the floor. I'm saying I set up the tiling on the wall, get some nice tile, put on the wall. People, say I go look nice, me I tell them, bashment bathroom. Sure. So I could deal with that. So basically as me I tell them say yo, half of the house done So I just the unfinished part now, left for sort out. So so steel I forgot buy, cement, sand, gravel, plywood. It's a whole heap of stuff we need to buy, And the longer it take to buy them, so things that go up sky high. Yeah man. I don't know. It's like I'ma go ask them what the price for this. And tell me. And it's like, the following day, I have something else to check out the price for. I'm just say, yo, let me ask back for the item I asked for yesterday. So what's the price? And it's always a different price. Not down, a different price gone up. I ask, I know that you tell me at the price yesterday. And I say, yo, things are just go up, I say, yo, I can't help it, So the longer I take for buy the something them, them are very expensive. Going into 2025, them I go up, right? Them I go up. I know them I have local sales now, but can't really buy that much things right now. So basically, I just have to wait till next year, So I have to just work with the pocket right there now. And the pocket I say, yo, I have to wait till next year. So basically, I just the unfinished part of the house left to sort out now, So, guys, I leave it there, So, until next time, wanna big up on yourself, all of the new subscribers, and yeah, man, big up on yourself, old time subscribers, and yeah, man. Well, and thanks to keep on watching my videos, then, right? Yeah, man. Thank you, guys. All right, so until next time, I'm out.